All right. What is going on, guys? Today we had NFP, non-farm payroll, and unemployment rates, okay, and hourly earnings. So this came out an hour before market open, and I'm not going to lie, I don't necessarily know what happened with this gap. But anyways, we are going to do a quick little market recap from yesterday, go over what we saw market do, and then we'll get into what we expect market to do today. So yesterday, if you guys remember, during our little bias talk, I said, look, we have Powell speaking, either it's going to be bullish and we hit these upside targets, or it's going to be bearish and we sweep out these lows, maybe come into an order block and continue higher. Okay, so Powell's speech ended up being bullish. We came up and hit those targets like expected, and now we're trading all the way up here after a huge gap up. So boom, yesterday there was no potential or fake trade setup that even would have happened, even though I'm not trading, but you guys get what I'm saying. None of our confluences got hit, but price was driven up. And I mean, if you think about it, like, bro, I see the majority of traders, most traders didn't take a single trade this entire week. If you guys did, hopefully you guys de-risked, and hopefully you guys made some money at least. But I know for me, there's no reason for me to be even entertaining any of that. So moving forward to NASDAQ, similar situation. We had 4-hour bullishness. We had a sweep on the hourly, a break of structure to the upside. We had a order block right here, as well as a 1-hour confluence. Again, Powell's speech. If he came on and was bullish, we were going to see these get hit. If he came on and was bearish, we would see these get swept. We saw, boom, this hourly order block get hit. One of our confluences, our second draw and our third draw get hit. We had a bit of a sell-off, and then boom, this final confluence was hit right after that. All right, now let's get into what we see happening today. So if we go and look at news, we had bullish news on hourly earnings, bearish news on unemployment, non-farm payroll, and then bullish news on unemployment rate. And we can see the market is a bit mixed right now. So if we go ahead and put on market open, we can go ahead and talk this out really quick. Okay, so market just opened around 8 minutes ago. If we go into the 4-hour, we're bullish. If we go into the hourly, okay, we are currently bearish, okay, because we broke structure to the downside. This is a similar situation where, like, I'm really only looking to take trades or looking for confluences off of hourly or 4-hour lows. And right now, these hourly lows are the only ones that we can see. And that's the problem, right? We had non-farm payroll today, and we saw that happen or come out, boom, right on this candlestick at 8:30. Okay, we see a huge wick down, creating this low, and then boom, bullishness to the upside. Odds that market ends up breaking hourly structure to the upside, probably pretty likely, and then continuation higher all the way past all-time highs, pretty freaking likely. But does that give us any of our confluences for the way that we trade? Is there a liquidity sweep on a high time frame? Is there confluences on the lower time frames that price is going to continue higher after that? No and no. So for me, that's pretty much saying, okay, there's no confluences. Okay, so if we on ES, I mean, it's NFP, right? Like, I'm not even looking to trade with this huge gap. Like, what are we even doing here? Like, is this really a day that we want to be trading? Not really. Okay, if we look at NQ on the 4-hour time frame, we're bullish. Okay, we came down and swept out these 4-hour lows, which is at least something to consider. Okay, we ended up breaking hourly structure to the downside with, boom, this. Okay, and then we see a break back to the upside after NFP. So again, market is really freaking mixed right now. Could you potentially say, hey, we swept 4-hour lows, we broke 15-minute structure to the upside. This now turns into a breaker block, which we haven't talked about in the trading transformation, but this now turns into a breaker. Okay, we tap into it, we get a bullish confirmation out of it. You know what? Like, sure, go for it. Go long, but me personally, This isn't necessarily a market that I want to be trading right now. This is especially not a week that I want to be trading right now when Powell spoke on Wednesday and Thursday and then NFP came out today. Okay? What I do want to be trading is clean, empty ass weeks. So like Monday, good to go. And then Tuesday we have CPI. Like, I'm not entertaining that. Boom, Wednesday, I'll be cool to trade. Thursday, PPI, hell no. Friday, consumer sentiment, I should be good to trade. Okay, but we need to keep in mind, like, these high impact news days, as much as annoying as it is, and as like pissed off as you can be, like, I want to trade, the best traders in the world aren't trading. Like, I literally saw ICT's freaking tweet. No matter how you feel about him, he's a pretty good trader. I saw ICT's tweet. He said, none of you guys should have been trading on Powell. A lot of you guys traded Wednesday and Thursday. Like, I'm not trading. Your other favorite mentors aren't trading. But for whatever reason, you guys are in there trying to place trades. Make it make sense. Like, if you don't act like a professional with this, you won't get professional results. So, that's pretty much it for me today. I do think that we have a bullish bias on this. We have this huge gap that I would love to see filled a bit more. But other than that, I have a bullish bias. We came out down, swept out these 4-hour lows. Similar situation on the S&P. We'll probably break 1 hour structure back to the upside on this candlestick right here. But again, man, like we're pushing all-time highs right now. We had super high impact news week. It's probably best to just hands off. Like, again, I didn't take a single trade this week. Call me crazy or call me a freaking realistic trader. Okay, so boom. There you have it. Pretty uneventful week this week. I'm sorry that if you guys wanted something a little bit special, some more pizzazz, some more trades taken, trade recaps, gonna be honest, I didn't take anything. So, with that being said, I appreciate you guys. Another trading transformation video coming out today that you guys will be able to tap into. Maybe I do a little crypto analysis today for you guys. Bitcoin's looks like it's headed back towards all-time highs, which is awesome after a quick little sharp sell-off that I told you guys about. Ethereum seeking out all-time highs all the way up here as well. Life is good, man. Hopefully you guys have a safe rest of your weekend. I appreciate you guys. I will catch you guys in the next one, okay? My goal is to get as many YouTube videos and TikTok videos of just pure, solid, good information out there to you guys. And some of those days, it's just going to be relatively lame, right? Like today, pretty freaking lame. I wish I could tell you, hey, there's all these confluences, like you guys are going to be ready to trade. But I can't, because I would be lying to you guys. Okay? So I'm doing it because I care. I appreciate you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.